Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel, and welcome back to Angel's Video Diary. In this video, we're gonna go to Tulum, Mexico. Allow me to show you things to do in Tulum, Mexico, what to do, eat, and see in Tulum. Let's find out. Alright, so the first thing that you can do is you can explore the Tulum Ruins. The Tulum Ruins, or the Tulum Archaeological Site, is a well-preserved Mayan city. Entrance to the ruin is 85 Mexican pesos, which is around 4 to 5 US dollars. Take note, if you have a professional camera, maybe you have a GoPro, then you're gonna pay an extra fee. Yes, so that is on top of the entrance fee. And a GoPro fee is gonna be 50 Mexican pesos, so that's gonna be around 2 or 3 US dollars. But of course, there are other Mayan ruins that you can visit outside of Tulum. And just a couple of hours drive from Tulum is Chichen Itza. So we got a tour guide to help us tell the story about this ancient ruin. And Henry, who is actually a Mayan, he was able to give us information about this fascinating ancient world. And he even taught us a few Mayan words like Yombotic, which means thank you. I hope I'm saying it right. Yombotic, Henry. Well, you can also visit the cenotes. There are a lot of cenotes in Tulum alone. So I suggest you plan your cenote adventures so you can visit as many cenotes as you can. So what is a cenote? Now, cenotes are formed when the limestone bedrock collapses, creating a hole that opens up for the underground water system. Cenotes are a famous attraction for visitors in the Yucatan Peninsula, and Tulum is home to many of these natural sinkholes filled with fresh water. And make sure to check out the description box below after you watch this video so you can check out, other videos I made about Tulum, the Mayan ruins, cenotes, and so much more. Tulum's beaches are famous for its crystal clear waters and white sandy shores. So you can relax and wander around the beach and enjoy the magnificent views you'll see in all directions. And of course, no trip to Mexico is complete without trying some authentic Mexican food. There are plenty of places to go, and of course, we went to a few of them. Like, there's one restaurant in Playa del Carmen we stopped by, which is called Taquerias El Nero, and everything was so good, we just kept ordering.
It's so good!
And then we also went to a beach club in Playa Paraíso to order more tacos. It was nice to have that amazing view of the ocean while we enjoy our food. And make sure to share your favorite Mexican restaurant in Tulum. Write your recommendations in the comment box below. Then we experienced a little bit of Tulum's nightlife. We found this restaurant on our way home from Tulum Ruins, and it's called Funky Burrito. So definitely we had to order a burrito. And of course, I ordered margarita to pair with my food. And then we got an extra treat because there was a little fire show from some random guy who performed in front of the restaurant. But I believe Hotel Zone is the best spot to go at night in Tulum because they have more choices in terms of food and, other things that you can do. So if you're getting value off this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. And speaking of food, why not try having breakfast in the jungle? Yes, it's literally having breakfast in the jungle. And it was quite memorable and such a unique way to experience Tulum. It makes me want to go back to Tulum right now and experience the whole thing all over again. And I I just have to warn you, the drive to get there is pretty exciting and scary at the same time. Actually, it was more terrifying than exciting. I mean, we had a small car and they recommend that you drive really slow, mostly on the side so your vehicle is tilted on the side. That way you'll be able to avoid the potholes on the road. And after your delicious meal, you'll also take a tour around the garden and learn a thing or two on how to take care of different plants and trees that you can actually grow in your home or maybe your backyard. You can actually stay here. I mean, you can spend a night or two or even a week where you can sleep and experience life in the jungle. Make sure to explore the town as well. Don't forget to see what Tulum has to offer besides the ruins and cenotes or playas as well. You know, for me, renting a car is the best way and the most efficient way to explore Tulum. I recommend that you rent a car and check out more places outside of Tulum. I mean, you can drive to Chichen Itza for 2 hours from Tulum and also check out other towns like Valladolid or Playa del Carmen. You know, Tulum has a lot of Instagrammable spots and you should definitely stop by and check out the Insta-worthy places in Tulum. From street art to the art installations, they have it all here in Tulum. Some of them you have to pay to get a photo, but there are a lot which are absolutely free. And one of the best ways to learn about Tulum, its culture, its history, is by getting a tour guide to help you better understand the culture, architecture, and Mayan civilization. And we want to be able to learn about Mayan culture and its history, so we made sure that we got the best tour guide on this trip. And we did that by reading reviews of different tour guides. And I'm so glad we did our research because I believe we got the best tour guides during this trip. Yeah, definitely a tour guide will enhance your adventure and will add lots of fun to the whole experience. And don't forget to check out the shops and bring home a souvenir. It's always nice to bring home something from your trip to remind you of the good times you spent in that country or maybe that place, right? And I usually get a fridge magnet, a postcard, and a coffee mug. And as a bonus, you should stop by Valladolid and check out Onza Rooftop Coffee. Valladolid is a small town that you'll pass by on your way to Chichen Itza, and they have a good selection of shops and restaurants around here. So we got to order coffee and breakfast at Onza Rooftop Coffee. Now if you have time, they have a rooftop where you can enjoy your meal.
Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas eso se te ve, y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelve a ver. Yo te quiero pero déjame, no me amas eso se te ve, y si sigues pues agárrate, que esta chica no la vuelve a ver.
By the way, don't forget to stop by and take photos at the Valladolid sign. I hope I was able to inspire you to visit Tulum, Mexico. Well, if you got value off this video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure to click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I would post new content. So if you have any more tips or tricks that you want to add, make sure to drop a comment down below and let me know. You can stay current on my travels. Follow me on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Subscribe to my blog, myprobablpages.com. I'm on TikTok as well. My handle is at I am Angel Alvaro. You can also show some love and support by hitting the like and share button. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.
Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé. Me diste alas para que vuele, pero motivos para quedarme. Tú me ves como nadie más, bebé.
tortolito no queda bien, bebé. Por de tus amigas diciendo que no ven.